Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to present my results on two international conference on business, economy, accounting, and technology. My name is Adelia Ananda Janarta Putri. I'm from Universitas Dianuswantoro. Today, I will be presenting my work on the effect of interest rate, inflation, earning per share, debt to equity ratio, and dividend payout ratio on stock price of LQ45 companies on the Indonesia Stock Exchange. Background and problems. Stock price are shaped by both company fundamentals and macroeconomic conditions such as interest rate and inflation. The LQ 45 index has underperformed the broker market since 2023 and hit its lowest point in March 2025, with major names like Bukalapak and Unilever Indonesia falling more than 20-30% in 2024. Earlier studies saw inconsistent findings on how interest rate, inflation, and financial ratio affect stock price, which creates a research gap this study aims to address. Objective and methods. Research objective to examine the effect of interest rate, inflation, EPS there and DPR on the stock price of LQ45 companies from 2020 to 2024, variable and model, and dependent variable stock price and five independent variables. Test using a large panel regression model. Research method quantitative approach with panel data regression process using FViews. Data collection and sample. Secondary data from the Indonesia Stock Exchange, Bank Indonesia, and Statistik Indonesia with purpose sampling result in 24 observed 5 years and giving 120 observation. Research framework and hypothesis. Hypothesis 1 variable interest rate expect effect on stock price negative. Hypothesis 2 inflation negative. Hypothesis 3 earning per share positive. Hypothesis 4 debt to equity ratio negative. Hypothesis 5 dividend payout ratio positive. These hypotheses are built on signaling theory, which explains how financial ratio and macroeconomic condition act as signal that shape investor decisions. Results discussion key findings. The specification that were used to cause the best final regression model. How test favored the fixed effect model over the common effect model. Hausman test favored the random effect model over the fixed effect model. Lagrange multiplier that confirmed the random effect model as the best with the random effect model was asked for the final hypothesis testing. Result of discussion key findings. Based on the result of ratios, interest rate variable have negative and significant effect to equity ratio and dividend payout ratio on stock price of LQ45 companies. Inflation effect is significant, EPS effect is positive and significant, their effects is negative and significant, DPR effect is not significant. Results and discussion, a key finding. Interest rate has a significant negative effect on stock price. When Bank Indonesia raised its policy rate, the cost of capital rise and investors shift funds toward fixed income instruments, which force stock price down. Inflation shows no significant effect. Inflation in Indonesia stayed relatively stable from 2020 to 2024, so blue chip LQ45 companies were able to manage the pressure without shaking investor confidence. Results and discussion, interpretation of results. EPS has the strongest effect in this study, positive and significant. Higher earning per share signal stronger for profitability and growth prospect, which encourages investors to value the stock more highly. There has a significant negative effect. DPR show no significant effect. Implication of finding. For company management, the priority should be strong earning per share and keeping debt a healthy level to avoid negative signal to the market. For investor, internal fundamental, especially profitability and leverage, diverse but extension the secondary macro indicator like inflation when coaching blue chip LQ LQ45 stocks. The findings support signaling theory and the dividend discount model, while the result on dividend payout ratio opens room for further research possibility through the lens of growth opportunity. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.